Hey, what's up, guys? Very fresh morning from my side. I'm Certain with my YouTube live talk, and it is a fantastic morning. No sign of rainfall. Weather is clear, sun is shining brightly, and I'm here again with my YouTube conversation. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the utility of water, and there is no lack of water shortage, especially in India, in my country. And I think it is the plenty of water in my country. And in contrary, there is also some countries they are facing taking the problem of water. They have to buy, they have to rent these waters. But in my country, here is no lack of water. I mean, this time everywhere is water and watering. Previous 2 or 3 days heavy rainfall made everything similar like a flood scenes. And uh, in my uh, uh, in my district, since my acknowledgement, I never seen that there is such a heavy rainfall occurred. Before it, I never seen such a flood scenes, especially in my district. Now it is changed, and uh, the crops field that was never sunk into the water. This time it is sunk into the water. So we can imagine that how much rainfall happened on previous 3 or 4 days. And it is not all about the flood uh, and other things, but utility of water is great in human life. No one can imagine this existence of life without water. And I think each day we can survive without food, without cloth, and so many other things, but we cannot live even 24 hours without water. So you can easily understand that how important is the role of water in our life. And here is so many people wasted water each day, thousands of liter water, just washing vehicles and cloth and bathing. But I think here is plenty of water, so people can do it. But there is some country where there is very less resources of water, so they cannot do it. They prefer to buy new cloth instead of washing them. And they replace their bikes, their other bikes, motor cars, instead of washing them. So these are the things that we should understand, that we cannot get anything in a uh, similar quantity, whether it is water, whether it is money, whether it is food. Every person, every country has different uh, things taking these. And just think about this water, how it is utilize our life. And in this video, just I want to say, don't waste water. It is a life. And remember that how much it does not make any sense that how dirty is the water, but it is sufficient to lit out the fire. So light is up, and I almost completed my video too, and it is very early in the morning. And I think 7 o'clock. After that, I will leave for my office. Before it, I want to finish my video. And in office, there is very less chances to make any video. Nothing. So this is my some conversation taking YouTube live talk. Have a good day, friends. Bye bye.